We love glasses. It's what we do. But sometimes it's nice to swap them for contact lenses, depending on what you're doing or where you're going. Firstly, like glasses, they improve your vision. That's better. Secondly, they're great for active lifestyles. Now you can be prepared for any scenario. Back of the net. But if sport's not your thing, they stay clear. And don't steam up even if the room does. Speaking of getting steamy, they won't get in the way, in that way. Plus, they give you the option to switch up your look. Great colour to show off those eyes. And you won't lose them at the most inconvenient moments. You've got this, Liam. Of course, with your contacts in, you're free to wear your favourite non-prescription sunnies. Looking good. Looking for the best of both worlds with glasses and contact lenses? Pop into your local Specsavers and book a trial today.